family. My name's Kelsey. I'm the licensed esthetician here at Dr. Stompro and Dr. Chang's. I am here with Bo Stompro. He is going to be a special patient today. He is the man behind all of our social media and marketing and posts, and the ones that are truly interacting directly with our patients. He's the brains behind it all. But he is coming in today for his first HydraFacial ever, and first facial ever, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so are you excited for it? How do you feel?
Yeah, absolutely. It's my first facial. I've pretty much been doing, running the Instagram for the last couple years and doing a lot of the marketing, and I've been seeing all of these great results that everybody has, and I feel slightly hypocritical that I'm not on a skincare routine. You know, I have a active lifestyle like fishing and mountain biking and golfing. And I know that I should be probably wearing sunscreen and doing certain things for my face. So not to mention, you know, all the dirt and stuff that's probably in my face. So it'll be interesting to see that bottle after the HydraFacial.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is kind of the beginning of my little skincare journey. You know, I'm 30 years old now. So it's probably a good time to start getting into prevention type stuff. So yeah, excited.
Definitely a good time to get started. So we're gonna start him off with a basic HydraFacial today, and then essentially get you set up with a few at-home skincare products just to begin your regimen. So we'll take you guys along the journey. We've already taken before pictures, and we're gonna kind of go from there and track his progress throughout the next few months.
Yeah, absolutely.
So now I'm going in with our I'm going in with our extractions. So the chemical exfoliant just loosened up any of the debris. So the extraction portion, you're just gonna notice right away that the suction is a touch higher. We are using a salicylic acid mixed with a little bit of honey. So basically as we extract, we'll be infusing your pores with that salicylic, which is gonna help to really combat any future breakouts and purging and things like that. You need like a type of like BHA or salicylic acid or glycolic in your regimen to really help just like break up that congestion that you get. So maybe even doing like the glycolic 10, which is that overnight. But I think honestly, for you, kind of keeping it like super simple to start. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our last step here, which is gonna be to infuse and protect the skin. The solution that I'm using is called the Antioxidant Plus. So it contains antioxidants, which is going to help to protect the skin against free radicals and pollution throughout the day. But it also contains a hyaluronic acid. So we're really going to focus on just plumping the skin. So basically those larger chunks are going to be dead skin cells. And then the little flakes that you'll see, that's all blackheads. Any dirt, debris, congestion. All right, we just finished Bo's first HydraFacial, and so how'd it go? Tell us your thoughts.
It was really nice. It was awesome. It exceeded my expectations of what I sort of thought it was going to be. It was actually very relaxing. It felt good. I definitely feel cleaner. Which is not very common because it's not like I have some sort of skincare routine or anything like that. Kelsey is super knowledgeable. The entire time she's telling you exactly what she's doing, what products she's using, you know, using products that I can't even pronounce and stuff like that. So that was awesome. Yeah, she just seems like she's really trying to figure out your skin and like what's going on. Like I have a little scar and I have some brown spots and I have some big pores. And she's just like racking her brain trying to figure that out and correct it. And then she recommended a little simple skincare routine for me. So
yeah, well, since Bo's kind of getting into his regimen and starting out with his routine, and with a lot of guys, you want to really just keep it super simple for them and really focus in and hone in on what their main skin concern is. So, for example, Bo's on a little bit of the oilier side. So, what I want to start him off with is the Obagi New Derm Foaming Gel Cleanser. This is great for anyone who's normal to oily. Use this twice a day, morning and night. It's really gonna, remove any of the excess oil that you produce, dirt, things like that. Then I want him to start using the Obagi 20% vitamin C every single morning. I think vitamin C is key in skincare. It's really, really going to help to lighten any of the pigmentation that you have on the skin, specifically your forehead and just around your cheeks. And it'll do it gradually too. So this will be a great daytime serum. And then another concern of his is just his congestion in and around your nose and right through the almost like the apples of the cheeks. So for him, I want to try and keep it as simple as possible. So 2 different options for him is going to be our glycolic 10% overnight. This is something that is going to just over time help to loosen up any of the debris and congestion in your pores and really clear out those pores. This can be applied every other night to start, and then kind of once you build up that tolerance, you can use it nightly. Or if we want to stay super simple, we can just incorporate in our 8% glycolic renewal wash instead of doing the foaming gel at night. So a couple different things. And then day and night, what we're going to lock it in with is our daily moisture from SkinCeuticals, which is a really great pore minimizing moisturizer for anyone who's normal to oily skin. It is a little bit more mattifying, which is great, especially if you get more oily throughout the day or you just naturally have more oil production. We lock it in with that. And then most importantly, just our SPF. So we're definitely going to lock it in with a SPF 50 every single day, specifically when you are going to be, out and about in the sun. I do recommend, because you are so active, wearing, when you're fishing, mountain biking, golfing, things like that, wearing a hat, and then also making sure that you are wearing an SPF. Biggest thing is you want to make sure it says broad spectrum, just to stay the most protected. But your skin looks great, so we're excited to kind of see, where this takes you and evaluate in a couple months.
Yeah, so we'll check back in a little while and see how my skin's doing.
Yeah.